Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World shares extended their bounce, building on Friday's strong Wall Street close, as off-peak oil prices helped sentiment improve and temper fears of prolonged inflation. Coinbase fell 11% after Goldman Sachs downgraded the crypto exchange to sell. The bank said the ongoing decline in crypto prices will hurt trading volumes and reduce Coinbase's revenue. LG Electronics acquired South Korean electric vehicle charger solutions provider Apple Mango Co., jointly with GS Energy and GS Neotech, at a time when the government is focusing on the development of an EV ecosystem in India amid a global surge in its demand.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US S&P/Case-Shiller home price indices at 1300 GMT. Japan's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0600 hours GMT. The Irish retail sales will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's large retailer sales at 2350 GMT. Japan's retail trade at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.